In May 2026, the automotive world was shocked by the premiere of the BRABUS Bodo hypercar, a Hyper GT class coupe that immediately declared itself a true work of engineering. The car was presented at the FuoriConcorso exhibition near the picturesque Lake Como in Italy. This car is not just another project, but a touching tribute to the company's founder, Bodo Buschmann. The model was developed by his son, Konstantin, the current head of the atelier. The BRABUS Bodo breaks the mold. In an era of mass adoption of electric cars, this hypercar remains true to classical principles. It's based on the mighty 5.2-liter twin-turbo V12, modified by the masters from Bottrup to the limit of its capabilities. The result is impressive, exactly 1,000 horsepower and a crazy torque of 1,200 Newton-meters. The electronics hold back the power so as not to overload the transmission. The dynamics of the monster is appropriate. Acceleration to hundreds fits in 3 seconds, and the ceiling speed is fixed at 360 kilometers per hour. The transmission of all this rage to the wheels is entrusted to an 8-speed automatic, and the drive is exclusively rear-wheel drive for true connoisseurs of adrenaline. The platform for the coupe is taken from the Aston Martin Vanquish, aluminum's spatial frame, but the BRABUS Bodo is more than just a tuning. This is practically a new car. The body is completely reassembled from high-strength carbon fiber. The design turned out to be aggressive, a shark's nose in the front and a boat tail-style stump in the back, reminiscent of a Batmobile. The aerodynamics here are not just for beauty. The 2-stage spoiler can change the angle right on the move, and if you brake sharply at speeds over 140 kilometers per hour, the spoiler stands up vertically, working as an air brake. Exterior details deserve special attention. Carbon fiber elements under the hood with flecks of real gold, a titanium exhaust system with double rectangular pipes created using 3D printing. The interior is not far behind. The multimedia system from Aston Martin is organically integrated into the ultra-luxury upholstery of the BRABUS masterpiece. Black leather, Alcantara, custom panels, everything breathes luxury. For all its sporty disposition, the coupe doesn't sacrifice practicality. The 2+2 seating formula retains seats for the rear passengers. There is a full-fledged trunk. You can go on long-distance trips. The production of the BRABUS Bodo is strictly limited, only 77 copies worldwide. This is not a random number. It refers back to 1977, when Bodo Buschmann founded the BRABUS company. The price tag is appropriate, more than $1.1 million, and this is without taking into account individual improvements at the request of the customer. The BRABUS Bodo is not just a car, but a symbiosis of power, luxury, and respect for tradition, embodied in metal and carbon fiber. Did you like the car?